Okay, I'm going to do a quick review of this sample 3D pen that I just got, which is really, really cool, and I'm stoked on. So, compared to the sample from Maker or Form Labs, I don't remember, from 10 years ago, or no, 5 years ago, this thing, you can see the grain or the lines of the filament in everything, and it's still really cool and has great texture, but you can see all the filament lines, and that's insane because with this one, this 3D printed pen, you can't even feel the filament unless, like, it just feels like it's sandstone almost, which is really cool, and that's a really great texture that it has. And let's see how it writes. Form. Oh my god. Well, obviously it's a pen, and they did a good job getting a good ink, like, pen filler. But this thing writes amazing. It feels amazing in your hand, so that's really cool. And the fact that 3D printed technology has come this far since then is really inspiring. And I can't wait to see what's next.